Ugh, I can't believe I'm up for elimination.
Well, I was superior and won the challenge.
Shut up. Contestants, stop messing around. It's elimination time.
All of you have voted for one person, and that one person eliminated is... Pen. What?
Bye-bye, Pen. No!
Phew, that was a close one.
I know, right? Now you guys are left. Your second challenge is not get blown away by the fan. The 3 people that get blown away by the fan will be up for elimination. Go!
It can't be that strong!
Ah, damn it. That isn't very strong. Oh man, I'm plastic. I can't do this. Ah! Knew it.
Ha! Child's play.
Ah! Bouncy ball and balloon win immunity.
Too easy. I expected it.
Which means that staple, iPhone case, and sharpener will all be up for elimination.